Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and my all dear friends. I, Shreya Pitodkar, along with my class 11 science, in guidance of our class teacher, Mrs. Shweta ma'am, welcome you all in the morning assembly.
Today we are going to do Tarasana. It is very important for children which will increase their height. Please follow me. Thank you.
विद्यालय सावधान, विद्यालय विश्राम। प्रार्थना के लिए तैयार हो। प्रार्थना एक साथ शुरू करेंगे, शुरू कर।
Remembering us our duties for our nation, I call Om for pledge.
Pledge.
country
India is my country,
and all Indians are
and all Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country,
and I am
proud of its
rich and
rich and
varied heritage.
varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall
I shall
give respect
give respect
to my parents,
to my parents,
teachers,
classmates,
and all elders
and all elders,
and treat everyone with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
In their well-being
In their will be
and prosperity
and prosperity
alone lies
my
happiness.
happiness.
Jai Hind.
Good day starts with good thought. So to present today's thought, I call Karthik.
Good morning. Today's thought is the fundamental cause of the trouble is that in the modern world the stupid are cocksure while the intelligent are full of doubt.
Every year, around 1,000 new words enter English dictionary. So to introduce another new word, I call Manoj.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Leela. I am from class 11 science. Today I am presenting the new word. Word is devotion, meaning the state of dedication and loyal. In sentence, the student devotion of their time to the science project work was not overlooked by their teacher. Thank you and have a nice day.
Assembly is incomplete without some special program. So for special program, I call Kanishka.
Today's special program is about Odian language. Odia is an Indo-Aryan language spoken in the state of Odisha and also in some parts of West Bengal, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Now let us see some words and sentences in Odian language. Hello, namaskar, open, khula, closed, bandare, entrance, prabesha, exit, prasthana, good morning, shubha sakal, good night, shubha ratri, how are you, तुमे केमिति अच्छो, what are you doing, तुमे कण करू छ, what is your name, तुम ना कण. This is all for today's special program. Thank you.
विद्यालय सावधान, विद्यालय विश्राम, विद्यालय सावधान. राष्ट्रगान के लिए तैयार हो. राष्ट्रगान एक साथ शुरू करेंगे. शुरू कर.
This is the end of today's assembly. Thank you everyone and have a great day.